Hello people, this is second part of my Rajasthan trip. In case you have not seen part 1, please follow the link. So today I am at Jodhpur. We'll be exploring the city. I'm going to Mehrangarh Fort, the memorial, and if time permits, I'll be visiting Ubaid Bhavan. So I'll quickly grab my breakfast and then we'll get going.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky.
So I've reached Mehrangarh Fort. The huge structure of the place shows the royalty of the past kingdom. So I've just entered the premises and I'll show you around.
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
The songs of the Rajasthani folk music echoes in the corridor and the arena is so grand it leaves you mesmerizing. So hold your breath, there's much more to come.
That's good.
I wish I could be a princess and this could be my palace. Jokes apart, we have just covered 1/4 of the palace and there's so much to cover. So let's get going. I have just one word for this place. This place is humongous. There are giant corridors, huge lobbies, and it leaves a smile on your face when you go out of the fort after viewing all the beautiful architecture and craft of this place. So I think you should come and visit this place when you are in Jodhpur. So we are off to next place now.
Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
So I've reached Jaswant Thada. This place was built by the Queen of Jodhpur in memory of the king. This place is also called Taj Mahal of Jodhpur, and just like the Taj Mahal. This place is also made of pure marble. It seems to be a beautiful lakeside memorial, and we should go inside and check out the place.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me.
So guys, next we are going to Chand Bavdi. This well was found in the recent excavations, and yeah, let's go and check out the place. So to reach Chand Bavdi, we are crossing the narrow roads. We have come to a local place, and we are trying to find out the way.
Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So guys, a slight misadventure happened. We were not able to locate Chand Bavdi. It seems no one knows it by name of Step Well. So we dropped that plan and straight away came to Umaid Bhawan. So I'll show you around.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies.
So Umaid Bhawan was no different than any other palace I've visited. The ticket fare was 30 rupees and only a small part of the palace was open for the visitors. It was a pretty decent museum, so you can still come if you want to visit this place. So my next destination is, guess what? Jaisalmer! Yes! The Golden City, Jaisalmer. We are off to our next destination, and we'll cover it in our part 3. So please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel and check out the place.